One feature of the SAP Mobile BI app that is of intense interest from our business users is the ability to mash up business information with Geomap. You are looking at on the screen is the information from the desktop designer to produce the Geomap on iPad. The Geomap mashup without third-party add-on is not currently available on the desktop tool. So you are looking at a Webby table with a column showing the point of interest, the geographic regions. We have additional dimensional column, in this case, the periodic selection, which can be used as a dimension filter. Then you have longitude, latitude columns to indicate the point of interest location on the map. We have 6 different measures, and of particular interest is the last column. The first 5 columns, the measure display, are all in single color. The only exception is the last column, earnings growth. We also have a column that's called the links. You will see what that does on the iPad. Let's look at what the iPad shows. This is the iPad rendering of the designer table that we just saw. We have Google Map mashed with the business data. You can see the 3 dots are the 3 regions. We have a measure filter panel where we can select different measures. We have the KPI dimension filter. You can see at this version of the mobile BI app, by default, all of the dimension filter values are selected, including the system generated all values. It obviously doesn't make business meaning when you combine monthly R12 YTD plus the system generated all values. The measures in our case would not make sense. I'll come back, revisit this functionality later. By allowing the iPad to access my location information, you can see the blue dot with white circle. That is where I'm currently based. The reason this is important is the Geomap function actually provides a location-based filter. We can select business data based on the distance to where I am based. If I'm limiting the distance to 3,000 kilometers, the only data available on the map is the US. On the table designer, that the earnings growth had mixed colors. As a consequence, the app dropped the color icon for this measure. I'll come back, revisit this item as well. So the Geomap capability is something that the desktop does not support without third-party add-on and comes standard in the mobile BI app. And one more additional functionality is the link. When you tap on the POI, tap on the I button, additional detailed reports we provided through the link column would be available for consumption. You can go back.